In this video, I will show you how to create a recurring meeting in Google Meet. To do this, just go and open up Google Meet and click on New Meeting right there and click Schedule in Google Calendar. Now from there, what you want to do is here where it says does not repeat, just set it to whatever time frame you want. For example, every weekday, Monday to Friday, or weekly on Saturday, or maybe weekly on a different day, or even daily, whatever you want to do. For example, I'll set it to custom and I'll say repeat every 1 week on, let's say, Monday, and then click done. And from there, just enter all of the recurring details as well, such as the description, maybe a title, and then click on save. And now you have created a recurring meeting right here. And if you want, you can also invite others right there. So you can add guests, for example, but now you have this recurring meeting that you have created from Google Meet. So if you now go to Google Meet, you will also be able to see it right there, and you can actually go and join it. So now you know how to create a recurring meeting in Google Meet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.